step 달려와줘 I can't rely 말 사랑한다고.
This is our day 3 in Algarve, and today we're gonna go on the famous Benagil Cave tour. But first, we'll be having brunch. I think we'll be getting our 4th acai bowl of this trip.
And that's okay.
And that's okay. It's not Hawaii, but we've been getting
It tastes really good here.
acai bowl almost every day. I wonder what's it like to go to a school right next to this beautiful beach. I think that's the boat we're gonna be going on.
I like it. It's so cute.
Along Algarve, there's so many of these little quaint towns. We've got our tickets, 70 euros. We have some time before our boat tour, so we're gonna be exploring the town for a bit. Oh, I love the presentation. Oh, you're walking like a penguin.
I am? Oh, I didn't even know.
There is no official dock here, so I guess we'll just get on the boat from the beach. Hello. Yeah. Let's go. Welcome aboard. Thank you. Wow, it's so turquoise right now.
I know.
Oh my god. We're gonna be going in there. We're here.
What do you think?
Super cool.
There's a cave inside of a cave. That was very, very fun. That was more fun than I thought it was going to be, actually.
Yeah, same. I think it was really worth it because our boat was small enough to fit into these caves, and also
There were some bigger boats, and those weren't able to go in. And this guy really was such a good driver. I was so amazed.
so we were served about 36 olives.
Don't do it.
There are 2 left.
Don't do it.
Guess where 30 others are. Caesar salad, octopus, sardines. Lily loves her octopus. She said it's really tender. We just had lunch. How come you're holding 2 gelato cones?
Hey, you're framing me.
How was it?
It's good.
Yeah.
I got the Kinder Bueno flavor.
Okay, while we were out on that boat tour, we saw something fun. So we're gonna go try it right now. It's kind of crazy. I'm not even prepared because I don't have my swimming suit, but I just gotta do it because, you know, it's gotta be fun. We're on our way down.
Woohoo!
Huh? So we're back from Lagos. We're now in Lisbon. We'll be here for the next 2 days. It will be the last 2 days of our Portugal trip, and we'll make the best of it. So we noticed that different restaurants have different ways of marinating the olives. How would you marinate it if you could choose?
I think I like the one from the Lagos, like the slightly like spicy chili oil.
2 weeks into our trip, we're finally getting the seafood rice in Portugal.
It's hot crab and
We're good. Yeah. In Portugal, lots of the drinks are not as sweet as in California, so we always have to add some sugar or honey. And we're at this really cute cafe, and Lily just added some honey to her matcha latte. So bifana is a type of sandwich that Portuguese love to eat. We saw them snacking on it at the soccer stadium as well. And then, yeah, that's all they sell. And now we're here at one of the most famous places in Portugal. You got it?
Yep.
Got the goods?
Yep.
Alright, I gotta put some sauce on it.
Okay.
Oh, it's hot.
You like it?
It's more flavorful compared to the first time we had it. I like that it's really warm. It's a little bit spicy. But make sure you get the spicy sauce. I guess the bear is excited for the egg tarts. We're finally here. One of the most famous egg tart places in Portugal. She liked it so much, she took my egg tart. What did you think about the egg tart?
They were so good.
The best ones?
Yeah, definitely. I didn't know that like egg tarts could get that much better, but it could, and I was very surprised by it.
Alright, now we're gonna explore the monastery here. Really famous, way bigger than I thought it would be.
Yeah, huge.
Wow. There are little benches each corner of this monastery, so we're just kind of like sitting down and chilling right now.
That's nice, but it's really cold in the shadow, but it's really hot in the sun ones. So
Yeah.
we ultimately chose to sit in one that's in the shade, but my booty is freezing.
Ready for our last dinner in Portugal?
Yes.
What are we gonna have?
What are we gonna have? Gelato?
Alright, what flavor did you get?
Okay, 3 of them are the same as yesterday, but then I added the mango because I wanted to try something else that's fruity.
She killed the whole thing. I had one bite. Ooh. Is it hot?
Yeah, it is, but it's not like piping.